Hi guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and thank you for being here. So I exchanged my Starlight aluminum Apple Watch for the silver because I have tons of bands, over 300 bands from different brands and colors and styles, and I wanted a watch that would go great with all of them, and I think the silver will match better with my favorite colors and styles. So here's the unboxing. Here it is, my new watch, and I got a product red band that I found on eBay. It was a really good deal, so I got it. And the watch I got is a Series 8 silver aluminum 41 millimeters with a white sport band small medium. So inside it comes like this with the watch and the sport band. Okay, so let's see the watch. This one's gonna be my first silver Apple Watch. I love my gold watch, but I am super excited about this one, and I think it's gonna look really pretty and it would match with all my bands. Oh my god, I love it already. I love it. Be careful guys, because this is not a fabric pouch like the other ones. This is like a cardboard. Okay, I don't want to scratch it, and it's not coming off.
3 days later.
Here it is. I didn't scratch it. Oh, it looks so new. It's so beautiful. I didn't upgrade after the Series 5 because the 6 looks just like the 5, and then the 7 came in Starlight or silver and not gold, and I really wanted a gold, so I waited for the 8, but then the 8 never came in gold, so here we are. So the screen looks a bit bigger. The screen is 1 millimeter more if you measure it across. The adapter holes are still the same, so any band that you have that is 40 millimeters will match with the 41 millimeter. Here are the speakers, they're different on the side. It's got the same crown and the same home button and microphone. Okay, I really love it. It's just a beautiful silver tone. Look how good it matches with the periwinkle. Okay, here's a white band. It's not totally white, it looks a little gray. I'm definitely in love with this silver watch. Oh wow. At first I thought I was gonna feel like the watch was lacking color, but no, it is so beautiful. And last but not least, the product red watch band. It is a very bright color. I absolutely love it. It's a red, but like a cherry red. Oh my god. Wow, looks gorgeous with silver. And the gold is gonna look beautiful too with this color. I'm so happy. Again, this is how it looks accessorized with some bracelets. I'm gonna have so much fun accessorizing and wearing this watch. Yay! Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful for you, or if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I have a new account because the other one I had problems with, so I'm trying to build this one. So please follow me there, and I will see you next time.